home-based office cleaning business, Annerley, Queensland. This is a great bolt-on acquisition for an existing cleaning company seeking to expand, or continue to run as is. Predominantly run by the bookkeeper, who knows all the customers, cleaners, and jobs, the current owner only works 5 hours a week. Established in 2008, clients are mostly small businesses with an office plus attached warehouse or factory. The work also includes common areas in boarding houses, small blocks of units, retail areas, and a retirement village. A new owner could easily take on more hours, clients, and staff to quickly grow the business. Currently run from a home office, overheads are low with no rent or premises required. With the owner retiring and 7 excellent casual employees in place, now's the time to make this business yours.